Hi guys, this is Venkat Reddy. You are watching Java Mozo. In this video, I am going to explain about what is a variable and how to declare and assign values to variables. Let's start our discussion with what is a variable. A variable can be defined as name of memory location which holds data for our program. The data that is there in this memory container can be read or modified by our program. Basically, if you are writing a application means you need to process data. While processing data, you need to save the data temporarily in some location. That location is called as the memory container, which we are speaking about. And the data that is there in this memory container can be read or modified by our program while executing the program based on our requirements. That's why these memory containers are called as variables. Now we will see how to declare a variable. The basic syntax to declare a variable is data type followed by variable name. In the place of data type, we need to write valid data type and we need to define a variable name for this data type. Just to explain how to declare a variable and how to assign values to variables, I am writing a simple program called add numbers. Add numbers. Inside this add numbers class, we have main method. Inside this main method, I am declaring a variable. As I already told, the basic syntax to declare a variable is data type followed by variable name. Actually, we have 8 different primitive data types to represent different types of data. Just to represent integers, we have 4 different data types called byte, short, int, long. And to represent real numbers, we have 2 different data types called float and double. To represent booleans, we have a data type called boolean. And finally, to represent characters, we have a data type called char. I will explain about all these data types in detail in my next tutorial. As of now, just I am declaring a data type called int, and we need to write a valid variable name for this data type. Just in the place of variable name, I am writing variable called number 1. This is how we need to declare variables in Java. Data type followed by variable name. Now we will see how to assign values to variables. Actually, there are two different ways to assign values to variables. The first way is while declaring variable itself, we can assign values to that variables. The second way is first we will declare a variable and after executing some piece of code, we will assign values to that variables. First, we will see how to assign values to variables while declaring itself. The syntax for that is first we need to write data type and then we need to write variable name. After that, we need to use this assignment operator. Then we need to write the value which we are going to store in this variable. Just I am writing number 20 here. The meaning for this is we are assigning the value 20 to this variable called number 2 by using this assignment operator. In the same way, I am assigning value to this number 1 as well. Just I am assigning 10 to this variable by using this assignment operator. So this is how assigning a value to variable at the time of declaring itself. After this, I am writing one more variable called int sum. I will assign value to this sum variable after executing some piece of code. Means after adding these two numbers, I will assign value to this sum variable. First, I am adding these two numbers called number 1 and number 2. Then I am assigning value to this variable called sum. So to do that, we need to use this variable name and we need to use this assignment operator. After that, I am printing the value here and I am saving this class. This is how declaring a variable and assigning values to variables. Just I will run this program and I will show the output. Now, first I am compiling the program and now I am running that program. There is nothing special in this output, but I hope with this program you understand how to declare a variable and how to assign values to these variables. Thanks for watching my video. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.